Extracting limonene from oranges by steam distillation. Introduction. Lemon essential oil is extracted from the citrus limonum L, also known as citrus lemon, of the Rutaceae family, and is also known as citro oil, which is referred to as terpeneless oil. Lemon and other citrus fruits contains vitamins and minerals that are beneficial to the health. A terpene called limonene produces the characteristics lemon smell and taste. Lemon contains a significant amount of citric acid. This is why they have low pH value and a sour taste. They contain vitamin C that is essential to human health. Lemon can be processed to extract oil and essences. Some sources state that lemon contains unique flavonoids compound that have antioxidant and anti-cancer properties. Limonene found in lemon can also be anti-carcinogens because of its high vitamin C content. Lemon has been tested in alternative medicines as a toxic for the digestive system, immune system, and the skin. Lemon juice is about 5% acid that gives lemons a tart taste and a pH of 2 to 3. This makes lemon juice an inexpensive, readily available acid for use in education science experiments. D-limonene. Limonene recovered from orange peel from the conversion of pressed liquid to molasses. D-limonene is used for making everything from adhesive to a solvent used by the electronic industry as a replacement of ozone depletion chlorofluorocarbons. Limonene is a hydrocarbons class as a terpene. It is a clear colored liquid at room temperature with a strong smell of orange. It takes its name from lemon. Like other citrus fruits, contains a considerable amount of this chemical compound responsible for the smell. Physical properties. Limonene is colorless liquid oil at room temperature with a characteristic odor. It is insoluble in water but soluble in alcohol and ether. It has boiling point of 74 degrees Celsius. Chemical composition. The main chemical composition of lemon oil are A-pinene, camphene, B-pinene, sabineene, a terpene, linolol, B-bisambolene, limonene, trans-A-bergamotin, nerol, and nerol. It belongs to a family chemically of cycloalkene called terpenes. Its IUPAC name is 4-isopropene, 1-methyl cyclohexane. It has an aldehyde content between 0.13% to 1.50%. Apparatus and chemicals. Eye protection, creator, Bunsen burner, heat-resistant mat, tripod and gauze, oranges 2, 110 degrees Celsius thermometer, measuring cylinder, potassium manganese 7, 0.001 molar, cyclohexane, distilled water, distillation apparatus, round bottom flask, condenser, receiver adapter, test tubes, dropping pipettes, anti-bumping granules, bromine water, no more than 0.2% irritant. Procedure. Stage 1. Grate the outer orange color ring of 2 oranges and add to 100 cm cube of distilled water in the 250 cm cube round bottom flask. Add anti-bumping granules to the ground bottom flask. Heat the flask so that distillation proceeds at a steady rate, approximately 1 drop per second of distillate. Note: take care not to let the liquid in the round bottom flask boil too strongly. Collect approximately 50 cm cube of distillate in a measuring cylinder. The oil layer will be on the surface. Using a dropping pipette, carefully remove the oil layer into the test tube for the next stage. Stage 2. Odor. Cautiously smell the extracted oil by wafting the fumes towards the nose. Do not breathe indirectly from the test tube. Action of bromine water. Measure out approximately 1 cm cube of bromine water into each of 3 test tubes. Add a few drops of the limonene oil to one test tube, a few drops of cyclohexane to another, and a few drops of cyclohexane to the third. Place in the bunds and agitate. If the bromine water is decolorized, the molecule contains double bonds. 0.001 m potassium manganese 7 can be substituted for the bromine water for class use. However, students need to know the action of bromine water. Result. The extraction of limonene from orange peel was carried out using distillation techniques as reported. the percentage oil yields from orange peel. Percent oil yield equal to weight of oil divided by the weight of the peel into 100. Limonene, 1-methyl-4-pro-1-L-cyclohexene, is an unsaturated hydrocarbon classed as a terpene. At room temperature, is colorless oily liquid with the smell of oranges. Its molecular formula is C10A16 and its boiling point is 176 degrees Celsius. Limonene is a chiral molecule with two optical enantiomers. The major biological form, D-limonene, the R-enantiomer, is used in food manufacture and medicine. It is also used as a fragrance in cleaning products, a botanical insecticide, and due to its flammability, a potassium biofuel. The S-enantiomer, L-limonene, is also used as a fragrance but has a tiny terpene odor. Precaution and note: cyclohexene is highly flammable, harmful if swallowed, and toxic in contact with skin, and cyclohexene is highly flammable and a skin and respiratory irritant.
Bromine water is toxic and irritant. The concentration should not exceed 0.2% volume per volume. 0.001 m potassium manganate 7. The solution is of low hazard. This is a substitute for bromine water for student use. The amount of oil extracted varies considerably with the variety, season, and storage of the oranges. However, it is always possible to extract sufficient. Do not distill more than 50% of the initial volume of water, or solid jam will form in the flask, which is difficult to remove. Always use a gauze on the tripod or the orange will be burned. Thank you.